We are in the lab at our new CTE building in the Cosmetology lab.
In 2022, the Deer Park ISD community passed a bond election that included funding for a state-of-the-art career and technical education wing at Deer Park High School South Campus. One of the new programs introduced is the widely popular Cosmetology program.
For Deer Park, we offer Intro to Cosmetology, which is a Deer Park only cosmetology class. And what it is it kind of sets the stage for our cosmetology students that are interested in cosmetology to see if that's something that they really want to do and want to pursue. And so they learn things like safety, sanitation, rules and regulations. We do a little bit of hands-on things that doesn't require a permit. And then they move on to Cosmetology 1, which covers everything from hair cutting, facials, nails, acrylic nails, and hair color. And then their senior year, so that's sophomore year's intro, and then junior year is Cosmo 1. And then their senior year, we go into Cosmo 2, which is refining skills, advanced like upstyling, that sort of stuff, and everything more of your advanced skills. And then we also do mock state boards and get them ready for their state board licensing exam.
Learned how to cut hair, definitely did not know how to do. It was really fun. I've learned how to work with people who I don't like that much. So it's definitely helpful, like in the real world whenever I do get out there. I learned how to do facials, how to do clusters, like lash clusters, which is really, really cool because it's a really big thing now. Miss Allen teaches in a very efficient way. If you pay attention though, that's one of the really big things. You just have to pay attention and not horseplay as much. But if you do that, like, you will learn quickly and she will help you with anything you need help with. And you have others too, like the other people that you're working with, they will help you too. So it's very quick to get the hang of, very fun.
There's a lot of students in here that maybe necessarily don't love math, they don't love science and that sort of stuff, or they don't excel in that and they really want more of a hands-on technical career. And the beauty industry is very great. It's just a great industry for that. So they would need to make sure that they had time in their schedule. First of all, they would need to talk to one of their counselors and let them know, really starting in 9th grade, what they want their path to be. So we're trying to do outreach right now with our 8th graders going into 9th grade so that they can kind of be in that service industry path. And then in 10th grade, they would sign up for Intro. And then in 11th grade, first semester is it's two classes and 2 classes, and those are also dual credit. So they will get dual credit for San Jacinto that could go towards their associate's degree. And they're also collecting hours for their state licensing board exam. But what they would do is just talk to their counselor and just let them know that that's the career path they're interested in. And we would start them out in Introduction to Cosmetology in their sophomore year.
So I would love to be a nail tech. I'm really into that. I have my own thing on already before cosmetology. And it's very scary because I was intimidated and scared. But just honestly enjoy the ride and kind of relax into it. And if you have problems, don't be afraid to speak up. There's nothing to be afraid of. Everyone in here is very nice and they're cooperative with you. So I say don't be scared. I know it feels like it, but it's fine.
So my goal is for them to really have a great understanding of our industry and be able to go out there in the world and immediately start making money and have just a great career. Our students are very enthusiastic about this program. We have people stop by and ask us about this all the time, and I just really want them to be successful, and I really want a high rate. I mean, if all of them could pass their state board, that would be fantastic. But for a majority of these students, they really want to pursue this as a career, either whether it be nails or an esthetician or a hairstylist, and some of them dabble and all of them are really good at it. I really just hope that they're successful and they enjoy what they do.